into ANG's ranging, hardening, and courting area, where chicks are carefully raised from the barn to the range, then undergo hardening until they are fully ready for courting. This is the last batch of local banded cockerels. The first batch has already been harvested and is currently undergoing hardening, while some have already moved to the courting area and preparing for the next stage. The first batch of national banded birds for different associations, including WPC, HNY, 1LU, Digmon, and Backpocket. This area is designated for the national and late-born banded. Second and third batch of late-born cockers. Last batch of late-born for the stag season of 2026. All of these stags are carefully bred and selected by the breeding in charge. ANG Game Farm is committed to raising full potential fighters for different associations and producing quality breeding materials for enthusiasts. At ANG Game Farm, we ensure that quality is our tradition and excellence is our commitment. This is the hardening and courting area for newly harvested stags.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa second courting area ng ANG Game Farm. Ito yung mga early bird nila.
Third courting area designated for local banded.
So, nandito yung mga local banded natin na stag. Bagong huli, bagong tali. Sweater Gilmore. Boston, Roundhead. 5K sweater. White Kelso. May mga gold na rin tayong palabas. Mga Ducal si Gray. White Kelso.